when the spring comes, you want to plant some flowers or some plants, and it's always useful to have a box with seeds like this one. We already actually have another one. These are hot chili peppers right there in a nice interesting container. Also some vegetables, really different flowers here, different this one I'm gonna plant it this week and see how it comes out. From these ones, if you don't understand the language on it, you might understand the scientific names, the Latin names, or from the picture. I think the picture is also very useful. I also tried this one. I planted this one today, actually I did it, and I'm really curious how they will turn out. Even onions, we have onions, and it's good to have a place where you have the seeds, not to keep it in a place with humidity. This kind of box, this is a strawberry box, and it has holes in it, so there is no chance of humidity build up, because this humidity is not good for the seeds at all. Oh, wow. Let me know which one of these flowers or plants is that your favorite to plant, or if you have other ones, which is the one you like to plant the most. I like the flowers that smell really well. Actually, I think they are not here in this picture. We have another box somewhere else. It's Regina Nopzi, we call this. I have to look up the scientific name. Yeah, I just looked it up. It's actually Nicotiana alata, and it's jasmine tobacco, it's called. It's not tobacco for smoking, it's not for smoking, it's only for the smell, but be careful, the flowers and the leaves, they are not good to eat at all. I think they are toxic like most of these decorative flowers. If you plant some flowers oh, this is jalapeno, this is nice. With jalapeno it's not difficult. Actually, any pepper you can just take the seeds from a fruit and you can plant them and have more fruits. But about the flowers, you have to, before planting something, you make sure the plants are safe for children and for animals. If you have animals, they might be allergic or they might have a bad reaction to some plant, and basically research the plant toxicity before you plant it, so you are safe and everyone around you is safe also. This is different kind of flowers here. We have a lot of these, but actually we didn't really, only a few, even roca, basil, some interesting one. This one looks like this looks like that one, the Nicotiana plant. And this one actually is interesting to plant, but there are so many options. It's really, yeah, let me know which one you think you would want to see planted from this bundle, this batch. Which one seems more interesting for you? And yeah, I will show you how I planted some of these plants, and in a future video you will see also how they are growing, and hopefully they should be fine. I think it's fine. I'm not gonna, you can put some piece of plastic film over the pot when it's cold at night, especially if it's early in the spring. But I didn't really bother with that. I just put the seeds on the soil there and hope for the best. If they come out, they should actually come out. They're fine, and only maybe if the seeds are sitting too long in the packet or they were in the humidity, but they are fine. They don't look like they were in humidity. All good. So we will see how they grow soon. Subscribe to see more videos about this, and let me know what plants you like to plant, especially in the spring, or if you have perennial plants, the ones that last many years, which ones you have. Thanks for watching.